In this video, you'll learn how to personalize notification tones and themes within WhatsApp settings. To begin, open WhatsApp and select three-dot option from upper right corner to find settings and all features in the app. Next, enter the notifications menu to access sound and alert settings. Here, choose classic themes and enable the snow effect if you'd like to add a seasonal touch. Now, use CVAN also select your device and choose an audio file as your custom notification sound to personalize how alerts are delivered. Then, open the notification tone options again to verify or change your selected sound, ensuring it matches your preference. Finally, close the app and reopen it and check if your notification tone is changed or not. You've now learned how to make WhatsApp notifications uniquely yours.